आज है बारात डे और आज मेकअप अपॉइंटमेंट है हमारा 1 बजे. So we gotta be super quick. I'm getting ready. इस्त्री कर रही हूँ मैं कपड़े. Getting ready तो नहीं, बस अभी इस्त्री हो रहा है. Need to iron everybody else's clothes as well, जितना मैं कर सकूँगी cause we are short on time as always. और अभी नाश्ता भी नहीं किया है. आलियान सुबह बेड से गिर गए थे, so we woke up with like ऐसे full tension में because he was crying. Yeah, मैंने उसको नाश्ता कराया but I still have to make him have his egg. बहुत फंसी हो गया है, he's just not eating सही से and उसकी वजह से मुझे थोड़ा पतला भी लग रहा है. तो हम कोशिश करते रहेंगे कि हमारा लड़का खाता रहे because my god it's hard feeding a child who does not want to eat. If you have any tips, let me know. I'm getting my makeup done. Komal's here.
Hi guys.
You're based in Toronto, right?
Yeah.
Toronto area.
Based in Toronto, yeah.
Okay. So आज बारात का makeup कर रहे हैं. You have to be quick because we're racing against time. We've decided on a smoky eye with like sleek hair. So I think it should look nice with this outfit. I'll show you the whole look when I'm done. Guys, eyes done. Time for the face. Guys, Komal has done a fantastic job. I'm turning my camera. 1, 2, 3, and I'm ready. How different do I look? I never usually go for this hairstyle, but मैंने सोचा कि आज time कम है. What can we do? And I think we nailed it.
Yeah.
Thank you so much for coming over. Oh, guys, Ali Pali is ready. Ali Pali is here. Sera bandi हो रही है. आलियान की भी करवा लीजिएगा. Has a holder. Ali has a cup holder. ये कोई different car seat है क्योंकि ऐसा cup holder इधर है. उस वाले cup holder वहाँ पर. ये different car seat है. इस car seat. Ali, देखो. Guys, we've arrived at the Shaadi और my parents are also here. I haven't vlogged them, but Aliyan अब मम्मा के पास है and it is great because I don't have to run after it. Numan, where's your baby? Doesn't that?
I'm in 10 days. I don't know where my baby is.
Isn't that good?
I'm not going to say that on
On the camera.
on camera.
You go. Guys, Mumsies is here. Hello. मैं नुमान से बोली थी कि हमारा बच्चा कहाँ है, तो बोलते हैं पता नहीं, और आज बहुत दिनों के बाद अच्छा लग रहा है बोलते हुए, तो पता नहीं क्या है. Ali, what are you doing? Ali, what do you do? Guys, no lift, just running. Guys, baby's asleep. He was very tired. बहुत भागे आज. And now we've had our dinner.
That's about it.
I'm vlogging myself.
No, I know. You just kind of sneaked up on me.
Oh, sorry. Yeah. So we just had dinner. Naman's gonna have some coffee. Are you gonna have coffee? Yeah.
They're out of cups now, so
They're
I'm
out of
waiting for them
cups.
to
So they're waiting. Yeah. Okay. I'm not gonna have any
the cups.
coffee.
Then I'm happy.
And did you have a good time, Naman? Do I look pretty? Guys, किसी किस्म की रस्म हो रही है. सब दूध पीने वाली सीन है ना. He has to drink it. There are too many doulas here. Ali Pali has finished his nap और अब वो उठ गए हैं. Ruksati is done, dusted, gonna leave. And Daniel is a new vlogger, thinking of vlogging weddings. We've arrived at the Shaadi, Valima actually, today's the Valima. And it is quite cold today. Alyan's in a tux, as you guys can see. It's okay, I'm watching it. And I love my outfit today. I want to show you sahi se, but let everything get sorted first and then I'll show you. I really like the setup today. It's like blue because jo ladki ka dress hai, that's supposed to be blue. So the napkins are blue, the backdrop is blue. I really like that. Abhi वो रख रहे हैं, वो जो giveaways होता है ना टेबल पे. And still on baby duty. Look, who is this? Who's the little boy? Who's the little boy? Who's the little boy? Hello. Guys, this is what he wants to do. He just wants to keep jumping off of these stairs. So, bas, this is my duty. Because he literally fell a couple of times. Bas, upar niche, upar niche, upar niche, that's all. Isn't that right? You naughty boy? Oh, thank you. Guys, Alyan has changed his clothes. He's wearing Spider-Man. Oh, खांसी हो रही है baby को. We should give him water. आजो आप पानी पियेंगे. आप पानी पियेंगे. आजो, आजो पानी पियेंगे. Alyan has woken up from his nap. He had like half an hour, but music बहुत तेज blast पे था, so that's why he's been awake. And there he goes. Off he goes. Ali baby, high five! High five! Yay! Good job! Guys, outfit check at the end of the party. Gnomes, what are you wearing? A suit. Looks really nice. My handsome man. Did you have fun today?
Yeah, it was good.
It was good? Okay. My outfit, I think I look really tired, but I'm wearing this beautiful three-piece from Agha Hassan Design Studio, and they basically made this custom for me, and I love it. Like, honestly, it's the color combination, everything, beautiful. Numan's gonna show you the whole thing. You have deep chalk with like this beautiful calm. जो कि गले पे भी है. This is silk, by the way. This is like silk. This is the bag. Spin around in my sharara, and it's so comfortable. Like when you look at this outfit, you probably think it's not comfortable, but it's so comfortable. So love it. It's absolutely freezing today. So cold. Alyan doesn't like being in the car seat, so he's fussing. We're going back home. Today was a torturing day, not gonna lie. Guys, breakfast this morning: French toast, waffles, ande kebab, और donuts, सूजी की खीर, biscuits, maple syrup, also spread.
I'm so sad. Since I lost you, I've been high. Think you saw me with your friends last night.
Where are we? What are we doing?
Hello, everyone. Did I do that right?
Yeah, you did that right.
So basically today, Hassan Anushae gave basically मेरे brother-in-law Anushae के भाई की engagement ceremony में
Yes.
in Canada. So बस अभी यहाँ पर हम पहुँचे हैं. This is the event. Show them the venue.
Yeah, the venue. ये देखें, ये हमारे छोटे हैं, ये भागम दौड़ में लगे हैं. And अभी एंट्रेंस करने लगे हैं. ताबिश gonna come with my parents, and then Maham is gonna come with her parents. So excited. Ali, where you go, baby? Oh, dekho, bhag gaye. Guys, this is the famous creamer cake that Tabish was telling me about, and I'm so excited to have that because oh my god, it looks good.
All cream, bro.
Tabish is determined. Pali pali. Hello, good morning. आज है एक नया दिन. As you can see from the state of me, we've had a rough night. Alian got sick last night. So he woke up a lot. Poor thing. बहुत गर्म हो रहा था बेचारा. उसको दवा दी. This is currently what my side table looks like. कमरा उबल चुका है. Basically, Shaadi is over. So we're just gonna pack everything Shaadi related in this suitcase and get it out of the way. Do not want to see Shaadi clothes for a long time now. बाकी सूटकेसेस जो हैं उनको थोड़ा सा तरतीब देना है, कमरे को थोड़ा सही करना है, so that it is livable again. Currently it's not livable because there's no place to walk. That's the update. नुमान आलियान को सुलाने लेके गए because he's been a little cranky. कुछ खा भी नहीं रहा है, बेचारा बहुत पतला हो गया है. This trip has been quite heavy on Alia. Hopefully things will get better, inshallah. Guys, we are here at Vaughan Mall. I don't know if you can see me or not, but हम Vaughan Mall हैं and we've come. Oh, यहाँ पे बहुत गर्म कपड़े दिख रहे हैं. Designer Depot. And we've come out here shopping. I wanted to get some stuff for Alian क्योंकि उसके पास गर्म कपड़े नहीं हैं. I wanted to get some stuff for me. And I think the man also wants to get some stuff. So we're going in. Guys, look. Yeah, I think apples can. Yeah, thanks. Even look at those. ये वो नहीं लग रहा वो जो Snow White look लाएगा. Look at these apples. Oh my god. Oh, what is this? That looks so good. Guys, we got some stuff for Alian. I got like a few things. Basically, आज इतना कोई next level shopping day नहीं था because we have not come for the mood कि हम full shopping करेंगे. I do want to go to a Sephora मगर अभी तक हमें दिखा नहीं है. जब मैं like when I was a kid, Toys R Us would have been very alluring. Right now, I'm just like, let's go. But Sephora ढूंढते हैं and then we're gonna be out. The man is looking for me. I'm gonna go from behind and I'm gonna like surprise him. There he is. Out for dinner at the Burger Bros, and it's constantly raining. Go ahead. Good. And we're gonna have some burgers. Shopping done. Sadly, Alian is not here. We thought he was gonna come, but एक चीज़ जो कि good news है वो ये है कि उसको वापस बुखार नहीं हुआ. Oh, this is a heavy door. Hey guys, burgers are here. I'm gonna end this vlog here. It marks the end of the Shaadi vlogs. Next vlog mein I'm gonna be uploading our trip to Vancouver and me meeting my siblings after ages. So if you like this vlog, please thumbs up दें उसको, subscribe to my channel, share this video because that always helps, and I will see you soon in my next week's vlog.